Kalam IAS presents EKLAVYA, Short Prelims 2023. We have always tried to help students by simplifying the preparation and supporting them in each step of the preparation. So, in this regard only, we are presenting this EKLAVYA initiative. EKLAVYA initiative is based upon the principle that question is the answer. Until you don't know what kind of question the examiner is going to ask you, until you don't know what are the parameters the examiner is going to test you upon, until you don't know what are the topics the examiner is going to cover, you cannot use your knowledge effectively to be successful in this examination. So, we are going to cover more than 5,000 questions that have been asked by UPSC through various examinations, especially last 20 years civil services questions. Along with it, there will be focus upon the current affairs aspect also. 500 questions will be covered in this program from different topics. So, both the parts, the basic as well as the dynamic part, both will be covered in this initiative. Second principle on which EKLAVYA initiative is based is test is permanent. This is not just a classroom program. This is not just a crash course, or this is not just a test discussion. This is a program which is focused upon capacity building. This is a program which tries to teach you how to approach the questions, which try to teach you what kind of mistakes you should not make, how to maximize your score. So, we are going to have 100 hand-to-hand sessions. In those sessions, we are going to teach you what kind of mistakes you are making, what kind of mistakes others are making, and how to overcome those mistakes, what approach you should take while solving the question, how to avoid silly mistakes, how to avoid overthinking, how to improve the conceptual clarity, how to avoid questions that get wrong because they are meant to be. There are certain questions which UPSC puts deliberately so that you mark them wrong. So, how to avoid those questions? Question selection is very important for this examination, and it is more important how to avoid those questions which should not be attempted. So, we are going to teach you how to do that. Second thing, we are going to test you that how much you have learned. This shall be done by 24 full length tests that are designed to test these areas. After each test, you are going to give a report to us what kind of mistakes you have made. Thirdly, the current affair area will be focused upon. Current affairs cannot be neglected. So, 3 exclusive tests will be based upon current affairs only. Lastly, to see how much exam ready you are, there are going to be 5 open tests which are going to provide an all India ranking to you. So, this program is not merely a crash course. This is a holistic development program. So, this program is designed in a manner that the whole preparation gets simplified. We have divided the whole syllabus into 150 plus themes so that you can track how much area you have covered, how much is pending. Secondly, you can highlight the important areas and you can give more focus to them. Second thing, through hand-to-hand session, we are going to discuss with you about these themes, how to approach these themes, what are the areas you should focus upon them, and what kind of questions can be asked from those areas. Thirdly, this will be an offline as well as an online program. So, how to club those things, how to test that what the other person is doing and what mistake you are making. So, we are going to have a live poll feature in this, in which all the students are going to attempt, and you will be getting a record that what option the other student has put, so that you know that this mistake you are making and others are also making. So, you know that how to avoid those mistakes. Lastly, this program is designed in such a manner that you cover the whole syllabus 3 times. At least 3 times you will be covering whole syllabus in next coming 5 months, so that you are exam ready. We are not able to cover the syllabus effectively once or maximum twice, and we are through Eklavya focusing upon covering the syllabus at least 3 times, and there will be time after which you can again revise the syllabus. So the prime focus of this program is simplify the whole syllabus and cover it as much times as you can with utmost concept clarity. The Eklavya initiative is based upon 3 features. First one is hand-to-hand discussion, in which you are going to solve question along with the faculties. You are going to see what is the correct approach and what kind of approach you are taking. You are going to learn the clues that are provided in the question, which can help you in effectively increasing your score. A student on average makes 15 to 20 silly mistakes in the prelims, in any prelims examination, and that is the main reason they are not able to clear that exam. We are focused upon the areas that पता नहीं है क्वेश्चन कहाँ से आ गया, but we should be focused upon the areas जो क्वेश्चन हमें आते हैं और जो हमने गलत कर दिए, उनको कैसे ठीक किया जाए. वो क्वेश्चन जो दिखते डिफिकल्ट हैं पर इजीली हो जाते हैं बिकॉज उनके ऑप्शंस इजी होते हैं. So we are going to teach you how to deal with those questions. We are also going to teach you the technical word that is known as intuition. Intuition को कैसे यूज करना है इन क्वेश्चंस के अंदर, कैसे उसको अलाइन करना है मैक्सिमम करेक्ट आंसर्स निकालने के लिए. Secondly, you will be provided individual mentorship. Mentors will be available here who are going to track your performance, who are going to see what mistakes you are making and how to overcome those mistakes. And lastly is the SAR, that is self-assessment report. This you have to follow with us. ये बहुत ही important चीज है. ये आपको बताएगी कि आप गलतियां कहाँ कर रहे हैं. ये आपको आपकी पूरी प्रिपरेशन का ब्लूप्रिंट देगी. ये आपको बताएगी कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन में क्या क्या लूप होल्स हैं, कहाँ कहाँ आपको वर्क करने की जरूरत है. इस रिपोर्ट के अंदर आपको मिलेगा सबसे पहले जो थीम्स हैं, कौन सी थीम्स हैं, कैसे कैसे सिलेबस को डिवाइड किया जा सकता है, उन थीम्स की यहाँ बात होगी. सेकेंड थिंग, आफ्टर एवरी वीकली फुल लेंथ टेस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू फिल दिस अप. आपके जो क्वेश्चंस गलत हुए हैं वो किसी रीजन से हुए, ऐसे ही नहीं हुए. So you are going to write down why that question was wrong. Was it a silly mistake? Was the question difficult? Or you are not able to remember the concept, that is lack of revision. Or there was lack of conceptual clarity. Concept ही समझ नहीं आया. या फिर you overread the question. Overthinking कर दिया क्वेश्चन के अंदर. Overthinking एक मेजर प्रॉब्लम है जो बहुत से बच्चे देखते हैं. So you are going to write down how many questions got wrong due to that reason. Based upon this, you will be provided a KPI score कि आप कैसा परफॉर्म कर रहे हो, आपको कहाँ कहाँ अलाइन करने की जरूरत. सो इस KPI स्कोर के थ्रू और मिस्टेक्स आइडेंटिफिकेशन के थ्रू आपको पता चलेगा कि आपके क्वेश्चंस क्यों गलत हो रहे हैं, आपका स्कोर क्यों कम आ रहा है. अलॉन्ग विद इट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन कौन सी थीम्स है जहाँ इंप्रूवमेंट की जरूरत है, कहाँ कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी रह गई किस टॉपिक के अंदर, किस टॉपिक के अंदर आपको दोबारा रिवीजन करने की जरूरत है, किस टॉपिक को आप भूल गए. सो हर एक वीक के लास्ट में यू आर गोइंग टू फिल दिस रिपोर्ट एंड यू आर गोइंग टू कम टू द मेंटर्स टू गेट द एक्चुअल सॉल्यूशन फॉर दैट प्रॉब्लम. सेकेंडली, when your full syllabus full length tests are going to start, you are going to assess how much improvement you have done. You are going to write down the mistakes that you have worked upon, that you have improved upon, and the mistakes that are still occurring, so that you know ये area है, इस पे वर्क करना है. silly mistakes अभी भी कम नहीं हो रहे, उसको कैसे कम किया जाए. उसके बाद टॉपिक वाइज आफ्टर द सेक्शनल टेस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन कि किस किस सब्जेक्ट के अंदर कौन से टॉपिक्स अभी मिसिंग हैं, so that you have time to revise those topics, to cover those topics. जब तक सिलेबस पूरा नहीं होगा और सिलेबस प्रॉपरली प्रैक्टिस नहीं होगा, this exam is going to be difficult. So to solve these things only we have come up with this एकलव्य initiative. एकलव्य initiative पूरी तरह से होलिस्टिक है. इसमें आपका GS और CSAT दोनों कवर किए जाएंगे, तो आपको कहीं और जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. This will be a one-stop solution for your all prelims preparation. Along with it, economic survey and budget will be covered. So I told you this is a one stop solution, आपको कहीं पर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये 100 days का कोर्स ड्यूरेशन है इसका, and the fees is only 5,000 rupees. The hand-to-hand sessions will be conducted in the evening from 5 to 7:30 daily, and the weekly test will be conducted from 12 to 2 p.m. The program is available in both offline as well as online mode. So program आप offline mode में भी ले सकते हो और online mode में भी ले सकते हो. Now this program is starting from 9th January itself. यानी coming Monday से program शुरू हो रहा है. So please enroll fast. And the first week is open for all. Anyone can come and take and see how the program is going to help you out. Only limited seats are there in the offline section. So if you want to go for the offline part, please be fast, be prompt. एकलव्य program आपको हर तरह से help करेगा with respect to how to solve the questions, how to build your concepts, and whatever doubts you have, the mentors are going to help you out. So students, please be fast. The seats are limited, especially in the offline section. And next week's, that is from 9 January to 14 January, the program is open for all. Anyone can come to us and they can attend this program.